You are welcome back to House of Ada, and in today's video I will be showing you how to draft a bodice pattern for a child's frock dress. Keep watching and I see you in my video. If you are new, kindly subscribe. I'm going to first draw on the paper. So this is for the front and this is for the back, and when you're cutting, just assume that the front is folded into two and the back folded into two. The front and the back. The back is it should be 1 inch bigger than what you have on the front part, and this is the zip allowance. I will minus 1 inch here as my shoulder level, and I put this, and here 6 is the armhole. This is the half length and 1 inch for seam allowance. Remember, it's folded into two. The shoulder is 9, which is 9 divided by 2 is 4.5 plus half inch seam sewing allowance. So the neckline, I like making it a bit smaller. I'm going to make it 1.5. By the time I finish sewing, it's going to be 2 here. And down here, I don't want it very close on the neck. Down here is 3. By the time I finish sewing, it's 3.5. That is for the front. But when I come to the back is going to be just 1 inch down here. So as it is now, I'm going to cover it like this. And the shoulder slanted. And the bust is, that is the chest area, is 28. 28 inches divided by 4 is 7. And here it is. Plus half inch seam sewing allowance here. And here I would make it the same because children, their chest and waist is sometimes the same. My daughter's own is same. So yeah. And here your armpit is not straight, so you curve it. And that is like 1 inch off. And here has to curve this way. And that is how you make your simple children bodice, and cut it out and place it on my fabric. Forgot to draw the front. So here on the front, I'm going to cut like this. First of all, I will cut off the back. And then the front. After cutting on the front part, you slant it in half an inch. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I see you in my next video. Bye.